step into the Jeep 2020 Renegade Altitude. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include black deluxe cloth high back bucket seats, connectivity, bridge solution, slate blue pearl coat, global telematics box module, TVM, quick order package 2XM altitude included, engine 2.4 Li 40 VAT MAIR transmission, 9-speed 940ATE automatic leather-wrapped steering wheel gloss black exterior accents exterior mirrors with supplemental signals vinyl door trim panel black accent stitching altitude package, transmission, 9-speed 940ATE automatic, STD, engine, 2.4 Li 40 VAT MAIR, STD, front-wheel drive and power steering. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.